welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Kelly. Say hi if you're new. John's here with me today.
What's up?
And we are going to share with you guys our leg day workout. So I talked about earlier this week in my Talkative Tuesday episode, which you guys can go check out, how I want to start doing fitness content on Saturdays. So John is my cameraman at the gym. We work out together.
That's me.
But what's so great about these workouts is you can do them by yourself, especially if you're a beginner. I feel like they're very beginner friendly.
They're such a simple workout, but they do so much.
Oh my gosh. I've been doing this probably since we've been dating, but recently a lot more. And
we've been doing it for pretty much the entire time. This has been our leg day routine.
And so easy to do. You don't have to lift super heavy, but also you get such great results because it works all parts of your legs. So you're working your glute, your hammies, your quads. We didn't work calves, but you can do that if you go for a run.
But through the first exercise.
Oh yeah, and we do leg press too, so that just kind of works everything. And we both got like little clips of like the machinery, so it does tell you a step by step. And I think the biggest tip that I have if you're going to lift weights by yourself, and this is what's helped me the most, is I put my AirPods in and no one's gonna bother you.
No one's gonna say a thing to you if you put those AirPods in. Or just even headphones in general. It doesn't matter. It doesn't have to be AirPods, just anything. Buy a $5 Target set that don't work.
This is really embarrassing. I don't think I've told you this. But the first time I went lifting by myself without you, because John got me into weightlifting, I didn't even have music on my AirPods because I wanted to be aware of my surroundings, but I still kept them in so no one would approach me.
It's the easiest way to like just have an hour of just you time without anyone saying anything to you at all.
Definitely. So today we're going to be sharing the workout. We did 3 sets of 8. So I always say lift as hard as you can, and by the 3rd set, if you can't make all reps,
Drop down.
Max out. But also if you want to, you can drop down to finish it.
Okay.
But I think if you max out, you're good.
That's fair. If you max out, that's fair.
Yeah. And then we also take, since we're working out together, we take little breaks in between so we don't lift all 3 back to back.
Yeah, that's our rest.
A minute or 2 in between, so that's really helpful for your muscles.
Definitely always take a rest.
Yeah.
Give time for your muscles to reset, and that way you can come back into the next set stronger.
Yeah. So.
Can I do a shameless plug?
Yeah.
Make sure you check out our podcast.
Yes, I'll have it linked down below.
We just dropped it, and new episode is coming out Monday, so get ready, be prepared. But yeah, so shameless plug.
It's gonna be so much fun. We started our podcast Live for Today.
We did.
We also want to start including fitness videos. So when we were planning content, I was like, okay, I'm just gonna start slowly including some fitness content, and then it'll like funnel into our podcast.
It's like the perfect combination.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and we're just gonna get right to it.
Let's do it.
First off, before any lift, I love to hit the treadmills. I am going to be doing a 3.1 mile per hour walk today, and I think it's just so helpful to get your heart racing and blood pumping before you go into a lift, also to loosen up a little bit. And I personally love challenging myself to walk or run at least 1 mile a day. So I love these treadmills. They're so easy to get your walk in, but it's also something you can do outside. Then we're going to start off with the seated leg press. It looks very scary, but I promise it's very doable. So you just kind of sit in, and then you like straighten out your legs. It works your quads, your glutes, your hamstrings, so the front of your legs, the back of your legs, and your booty, which is always a win for leg day. And again, you have to find what weight works for you. So like the first 1 or 2 reps, I will kind of feel like, okay, this is too light or this is too heavy. And the more advanced you get, you can do different feet positioning to work different parts of your leg. Then we're going to head over to the leg extension. Personally, this one I think looks the scariest, but I enjoy it the most. So this really targets your quad, so that's the top part of your leg. So you're just gonna kick and extend your legs out. I lift around 85 pounds on this, but it's honestly really heavy sometimes, but you just have to make sure it works for your body. Even if you're starting a lot lower, that is totally okay. And then I like to do the seated leg curl. So this is the opposite of the other machine where you are working your hamstrings. That's the back of your thigh. And as you guys can see in this video, I was like, oh my goodness, this is way too heavy. So I had to lower my weight, and that is totally okay. You only want to lift what you feel comfortable lifting. That way you don't hurt yourself. So I love doing this, and it's just super, like, you have to adjust the seat and everything. And since I'm so like short and tiny, I'm only 5'4", it's hard to get the seat right. So I don't know if every gym has this, but this is a glute slide back machine. It's personally my favorite. So you stand here and you put your foot there and you kick it back, and it really targets your booty. I love it. I feel like it's such a great workout, but it also works your quads and hammies as well. And again, you start lower and then work your way up to higher weights, and it's just such a great workout. And as you guys can see, the little thing that my foot's pushing back, the bar, you like kick it and it swivels over to the other side, so you have to make sure you keep both legs even. And I was just laughing at my boyfriend. I'm like, no, I don't want that back view of my butt. So here you guys go. So it's just a simple kickback motion, and it's a great workout. So that was the leg day workout. I didn't share with you guys where my fit's from. So this top is from Fabletics, my sports bra is Lululemon, and my pants are the Sculpt Knit leggings from Fabletics as well, and they're like teeny tiny, like when you're not wearing them, like when they come out of the wash, they're so tiny. They look like little you know, have you ever seen like little doll baby clothes? They're so tiny, and they like stretch, and they just look so good, and they like suck you in. And then my Nikes are just my favorite running shoes. And then
your Nikes are my favorite running shoes, and I don't even wear them to run.
Oh my god, they're so comfy. And I have my little claw clip from Shein. John wasn't in the video, but if you guys want to see more videos with John,
yeah, shameless plug.
Yeah,
brand new t-shirt.
We just got this rock
today.
It's so cute. We love Project Rock. But thank you so much for watching. Be sure to check out our podcast, and I'll see you guys back here tomorrow with my next daily video. Bye guys.
Peace out.